In this video, we will discuss H4 car headlight lamp facts and other discussion we will make about this lamp. Here in this video, you can see this headlight. This headlight lamp is a tube which is used in the car headlight. This is known as H4. Just a box I am going to show you. This is Euro Plus, as you can see it is written, and Euro Plus is written as a trademark, and here also you can see some other writing which is the trademark, and there is no made available quality original equipment. You can see this is quality equipment, something like that. This is very much strange thing. I don't know from where it is and who made it. There is no made available on inside. I'm going to show you. Here you will see another story inside. I'm just going to show you the cover. We are going to keep it side, and then the tube inside you can see this. Many people they know about this tube. The people who don't know about this, for the knowledge, I am going to explain items. This is actually in your car headlight. This tube is available, and now we are explaining about this. The good quality lamps, they are containing some other information on the lamp. This is not original one. This is just a fake lamp, but it is working for the experimentation purpose. I just purchased it. So this is a low level lamp. Here it is written 12 volt Euro Plus, and then in the bracket you can see braces, not for use in Europe. This is Euro Plus, but this is not an intention to use in Europe. I don't know why it is, but anyhow, this is according to the standard. This is made according to the standard, and here the good lamp is having the writing about the wattage of the lamp. There are two filaments inside. There are two beams in a car. There is up beam and there is low beam. The up beam is sometimes used, but it is not recommended, because if you are making high beam, it will come in the other driver's eye. So this low beam and high beam is changed over here from this lamp. Here you can see there is a cap inside under the filament. This cap is reflecting the light upward, and then from the light reflector, the light is reflected down. So the light is coming down beam. So this another filament which is in the center, this is giving light to all the directions. So the reflector is reflecting the light in the high beam. So terminals, you can see here, there are three terminals. There are two filaments inside one tube, but only one filament will be lit one time. Here you can see three terminals. Three terminals are high beam, low beam and ground. These are the three terminals. One is common actually. Now here just I'm going to show you the holder for this lamp. This is a special purpose holder. You can see three wires, black, red and green are the wires. And from the front you can see this is according to this lamp. This holder is created. The lamp is in, and this holder I'm going to in it, but not perfectly, just a little bit for the demonstration, because I will bring it off again for the work. Now I'm going to demonstrate the wiring. The black one is common. The red is one beam, which is low beam or high, and the other the green is for the other beam. We will make some measurement, and also we will do some theory on this one. Just I'm going to explain for the people who don't know about this. Little bit on the paper I will demonstrate how this lamp is functioning and how it is inside. So here you can see on the paper we are just drawing the two filaments. One filament is like this, and then there is another filament So there are two filaments in one tube. The common is over here in the center. One is low beam, the other is high beam. So it will be some way like this. So three filaments. So if current is going like this, it will be high, and if it will be like this, it will be low beam. So the current direction is not important. In any direction it could be, but it should pass in one filament, so then that filament will be lit. So this common is coming from the two filament. The other one is, other two terminals are low and high. So here is the black color wire is common. High is either red or green, and if we will write it red, and then low will be green, something like that. Anyhow, you will understand it. Now we are talking about the voltage. You will see the voltage is 12 volt in a car, because the car system is 12 volt. The battery is 12 volt. Here is a battery. Under the meter you can see this is 12 volt. The 12 volt is a standard for car. Anything in a car can be switched on by 12 volt. The experts know it very well. The new people, they have no idea about voltage, current and power. So I am going to demonstrate all these three quantities over here. I is current. Amperes is the unit for current, and it is denoted as I is current, not voltage. V into I is something power. Voltage is 12 volt, and the current which is taken by the device or lamp. So while we will multiply these two, that will be known as power, which is denoted from W. Watt. Power is, in simple statement, voltage into current, the multiplication of voltage into current in DC. But this is not true in AC. If we will come to AC, we will include another item which is called power factor cos phi. We will multiply. The power factor is somewhere from 0 to 1. So we will omit this, because in DC, you know, the power factor is 1. So if 1 we will multiply or not, it is the same. The result will be the same. So power in DC is V into I. But in AC, we will include the power factor. So watt is equal to V into I in DC circuits, because in car we are dealing with DC. We are proving this on meter and measurement. We will need one clamp meter or ampere meter for this. I'm going to switch on this lamp. Here we are going to switch on this lamp. Here is the negative and here is the positive. This is positive, this is negative. Any terminal we can connect it. It will not create any problem, because the current will flow by any mean. So this green, first I am connecting. So it is high beam. You can see the central one is glowing. So it means that this is the high beam. The green one is high beam. The color is not creating any problem, but the wire is important. The red one, while I'm switching on, so it is glowing the low beam. Now I'm measuring the current. For the current measurement, we need a clamp meter on 40 amperes DC. So one wire we will put it on the clamp meter, and then we are going to glow this lamp, and we'll see on the reading 4.8 ampere current. We can see 4.7, something like that. The other one we are going to check. Other one is also 4.8, 4.7 ampere, something like that. So these two beams are taking current like this. Now we have 4.8 ampere and the voltage is 12 volt, of course. We are going to calculate the power for this lamp, because the power is not mentioned on this one. As you know, these bulbs or lamps are 50, 60 watt or 55 watt, something like that. That is the standard. And if you can get the power of the lamp for like 100 watt, 80 watt, and even 600 watt, but those are not recommended. 80 and 100 watt power lamp is recommended for off-road, and for the highways only you can use 50 and 55. So now we are multiplying 12 volt to 4.8 ampere. So while we will multiply, you can calculate it yourself from your mind, but you can use a calculator. Take your smartphone and then select the calculator, and on the calculator just multiply 12 to 4.8, then it will equal to something 57.6. 57.6 is the power for this lamp. This is the real power on 12 volt, but while the car is started, the voltage will be increased a little bit to some value like 13.8, something like that, and it could approximate to 60 watt. So this lamp is 60 watt for our particular lamp. Hope you will understand, you could understand this lamp from my video, and the power calculation as well as the current measurement, everything you would understand. So if you like this, you thumbs up, and must subscribe my channel for your other videos, and also you have to comment. Thanks for watching.